That modeling suggests to us that if we put schools back in session, if we turn the businesses back on, if we allow people to go back to restaurants and bars and businesses today, that by May, we will need to be able to provide more than 20,000 hospital beds a day for our community alone.
New soon-to-be-released modeling from the University of Texas is why, starting tonight at midnight, all non-essential businesses must close and non-essential travel has to stop.
Under new stay-at-home orders, Travis and Williamson County leaders are asking you not to get together with anyone outside your family, and there could be some consequences if you don't comply.
KXAN's Avery Travis joining us live from Austin with more on how they will be enforcing these new rules.
Yeah, there are quite a few exceptions to these rules to allow any essential businesses and necessary activities to stay up and running. Here in this shopping center, we see a pet store and a Best Buy that are up and running, but with social distancing practices, they've got their customers spaced out outside. Now, county and city leaders say they do want people to take this order very seriously. That's why they've made it a violation of it a misdemeanor level crime.
If our level of social distancing has been about 50% lately, city and county officials say it's time to take it up a notch, hoping a new stay-at-home order will get us up to 75% or more.
If we were to run out of ventilators and ICU beds, we have to make difficult decisions about who gets the ventilator or not, who gets the opportunity to survive or not.
Interim Public Health Authority Dr. Escott says if things don't change, we'll max out our hospital beds and ventilators in about 3 to 4 weeks. So we need to slow the spread, and that responsibility falls on each of us.
The best enforcement is our responsibility to one another.
County leaders say it's more about education and encouragement, though, than actual enforcement.
This community comes together, and that any kind of criminal enforcement is really not needed.
Still, the order does specifically warn people they could face a $1,000 fine for violating it, or even spend 6 months in jail. Meanwhile, our Travis County court system says they're doing everything they can to limit how many people are in our jails right now and prevent the spread of COVID-19 there. They've suspended arrest warrants for misdemeanors and a list of nonviolent felony offenses like prostitution, theft, and possession of a controlled substance. They're also issuing automatic personal bonds for some of these offenses as well, so people aren't waiting in jail for a postponed court date. But blatantly violating this stay-at-home order could be considered that serious.
Enforcement is the last option, and only if we see something really egregious.
Yeah, we've reached out to Austin Police and to the Travis County Sheriff's Department to see what guidelines they've already given their law enforcement officers for enforcing this stay-at-home order. We are working to get those answers for you, and we'll bring them to you as soon as we get them. For now, reporting live, Avery Travis, KXAN News.
Avery, thank you. Governor Greg Abbott signed a new executive order today requiring hospitals to submit daily reports on bed capacity to the state health department. He also announced that a newly formed supply chain task force has already secured more than $83 million of purchase orders for essential supplies.
Next week, Texas should be getting more than 1 million masks per week.
We also learned today that at least 715 Texans have been positive for COVID-19. Travis County's number is 86, and we usually get an update around 7 o'clock every night. Williamson County announced 5 new cases today, bringing their total to 19. Hayes County grew to 9 cases. Llano County also had its first positive test reported today.